My name is Cassie and I work at the Amy Sanders Library with the Central Arkansas Library System. Today I'm going to demonstrate a chemical reaction. We are going to make elephant toothpaste, and this chemical reaction will make a large foamy mess that looks like toothpaste squirting out of the tube. And the only animal that would be able to use this as toothpaste would be an elephant. Make sure you do not try this at home as your own toothpaste, okay? And right now I'm going to tell you what all supplies you need. You will need a water bottle, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food dye, yeast in warm water, okay? And then, so that's all you will need. Make sure you do have the lid to your bottle, so when you need to mix it up, you can just put it on there snugly and mix it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We will need a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Make sure you put the lid back on, and I'm going to pour this into the bottle. The next step is adding the dish soap. And then we will add the food coloring. And then next we will add the yeast in the water. And I'm going to also put this underneath in the bowl. And the yeast will come in one of these packets, instant yeast. I'm gonna pour the yeast and water in actually, hold on one second. I'm gonna mix this up. Mix it good, make sure it's all mixed. Take the lid off. I'm gonna gently pour the water and yeast into the water bottle. And it is making elephant toothpaste. Look at that. There it goes. Yay, we did it. Thank you, bye-bye.